what this is all about. And you know, the people, the communities in San Diego and the OB community, you know, and this benefits the fireworks show. So, you know, come out here for a Saturday. Yeah, I've been prepping for a month for this. Yeah, it costs a lot of money out of my pocket. Yeah, if I win, I'm going to win $300. It covers about a tenth of the cost of this. But where can I go and hang out with these people? I've seen every music shirt in my era. I've seen Rolling Stones, Led Zeppelin, guy came with the Misfits shirt on. It's just incredible.
Yeah, we're in it to have fun, drink some beer, have a good time.
Look me up, Bob. I got a little.
Please remember the taste buds. We'll be back next year, and if we don't win this year, we're winning next year.
Yeah!